My name is Abed, and I'm here actually on behalf of my mom because I absolutely detest going to any dentist. And maybe 3.5, 4 years ago, I got 3 teeth taken out, and by fear of never having them again, my mom was thinking, I gotta save my son. So thankfully, she brought me here where this Dr. Nuri and his staff basically they work like magicians, because usually what I'm used to is pain going to the dentist or fear, and I generally don't like going to any kind of doctor. But here I feel safe. All of the staff is very friendly. The technology and equipment here is actually something I've never seen. Most of the stuff is probably not anywhere else in the world. And the basal implant that I actually got for the two that I needed, because one is actually a molar, I'm not so sure, it's one that's not so needed. So the two that I desperately needed was done in maybe an hour or less. I don't know, it was so quick that I couldn't really tell. I had 4 bad cavities, broken, cracked teeth, and Dr. Georgie also had repaired those, how do you call them? The cavities without any issues. So that was very nice. It was maybe 2 hours. I was thinking, hey, do I need anesthesia? He's like, it's up to you. So I said, okay, no anesthesia. And then he was practically done, and I said, hey, when are you gonna start? He says, you're finished. I was like, there was no pain. So I can only recommend this place. The affordability and the care they give is beyond next level. And I can't wait to come back in a few months to finish my basal implants. Thanks to Dr. Nuri and his staff for having me and treating my mom as well. And a big thanks to my mom for bringing me here to this wonderful, magical place.